Want to go from zero CAD experience to printing your first custom part in under an hour? TinkerCAD is your fastest route there. It runs entirely in your browser with nothing to install. Just drag and drop shapes like digital Lego blocks. Here's what makes it click. First, everything happens on that blue grid workplane, which represents your actual print bed. Each tiny square is 1 mm, so what you see matches what you'll print. Second, master the hole feature. Any shape can become a hole that carves material out of solids when you group them together. That's how you create screw holes, cutouts, and pockets without complex operations. Third, use the alignment tool religiously. Select multiple shapes, hit L, and click those dots to snap everything perfectly centered. No eyeballing, no math, just instant precision. The trade-off is simple. You won't build organic sculptures here, but for functional parts, enclosures, and mechanical pieces, it gives beginners exactly what they need without the intimidation. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.